This is truly disappointing. Today, the Supreme Court voted 6-3 to limit the Voting Rights Act. This decision is a huge blow to Democrats and, more importantly, to our democracy, and I'm going to give a quick breakdown of what happened and why this is so consequential. Blacks in Louisiana make up 1/3 of the state's population, but due to gerrymandering, only one of the 6 congressional seats in Louisiana is a majority black district. So because of that, a federal judge in 2022 said the map you guys have right now is not good, so you guys have until January of 2024 to drop a new map, get it approved, or the court will do it for you. They draw a new map, it gets approved, and it created a second majority black district. Now, this made it more equitable for the people of Louisiana to have fair representation. Then a group of, quote, non-African American voters contended that the 2024 map violated the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause by sorting voters based on race. These non-African American voters challenged the map, saying that it was, quote, utterly implausible that both race and politics were equally responsible for the 2024 map. So today, the Supreme Court voted in favor of those non-African American voters, and now the state of Louisiana will go back to one majority black district, despite them being 1/3 of the population. Justice Alito interpreted Section 2 to, quote, outlaw a map solely because it fails to provide a sufficient number of majority-minority districts would create a right that the amendment does not protect. Justice Elena Kagan read her dissent from the bench, which is, in Supreme Court world, like, if you do that, that means you are extremely upset, and she basically said that, quote, the court's decision will set back the foundational right Congress granted of racial equality and electoral opportunity. Democrats are furious today, as they should be, because this severely undermines Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act, which Congress enacted to bar electoral maps that will result in diluting the clout of minority voters. This will now effectively put an end to the second majority black district that was created a few years back and will likely result in a loss of congressional power for the Democrats and a lack of voting power to blacks in Louisiana. Once again, another sad day in America as the Supreme Court has made a horrible decision gutting the Voting Rights Act.